Hi everyone, I'm Nicole. Welcome to my lab bench. Today I'm going to make silver nanoparticles, and they're all going to be different sizes, so their solutions will look like a rainbow. I already have water in all of these vials, and I'm going to add sodium tricitate, and this is a stabilizing agent. It will protect the surface of the nanoparticles so they don't stick together, and it will also provide some shape control so that we get platelets. Next, I'm going to add silver nitrate. It's a clear solution. We're adding a bunch of clear solutions and hopefully making some colors. Silver nitrate is our source of silver, and it's what's going to be reduced to make the nanoparticles. And next I'm going to add some hydrogen peroxide, and what that will do is etch the nanoparticles. It will make sure that they all end up the same size. If any are too small, they'll get oxidized and can reduce on the surface of the nanoparticles that have already started nucleating. And last, I'm going to add borohydride, sodium borohydride, and that is our reducing agent. And I'm going to add different amounts of that so that we can get different sized nanoparticles. The larger amounts that I'm adding will give us larger nanoparticles, and the smallest amount will give us the smallest one. So hopefully we will see 4 different colors shortly. They're all started to nucleate, which we can see that they change colors, making them yellow. Didn't super work out to show you them developing, but hopefully you saw the one progress from yellow to orange and red and then blue. That's the largest one. And what they actually look like, we'll go for a little walk, are this. So they're thin platelets of silver, hexagonal or triangular. It look like after they've developed. We got 4 different colors of our rainbow, so that's great. And what we did was we mixed sodium tricitate, this clear solution, silver nitrate, another clear solution. It's light sensitive, so it's covered in foil, hydrogen peroxide, and sodium borohydride.